Hello boys, so we have an oval shape here. Let's do this. Let's name this oval. Select it down here, oval. Oops, we forgot to start the timer. Then we have an oversized width. So before that, let's center this element. Margin auto. It's hanging. Yeah. Margin auto and then inset. Nope. Top. Negative value to push this on the top. Like 100 pixel. We don't need to put pixel because the value is pixel by default. So then left, bottom and right. Just so we can. This is top, not 2. What else? What else? Wrong. This is due to wrong spelling. Nope. Where's position? Yeah. Now let's enlarge the width, like 300 pixel. That's too much. Something like 250, 60. Yep. And then push this on the bottom slightly. So you got here 50, like 460, and then reduce the height like 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Yep. And then put border radius. Radius 50%. And by the way, this hollow thing here is not an oval, but more like a triangle. So let's create a triangle 1 here, and maybe let's just one triangle and back shadow this right side. So try, select it down here, try. This has a width of 0, height of 0, and then border what? Border bottom, border left 50 pixels, solid, transparent, copy, paste, rename this to right, copy again and paste, rename this to bottom. So we are creating a normal triangle here. The color is this. Let's color this black for now. Black, and then the position is on the middle. Okay, now let's rotate this. Rotate 90 degrees, like negative 90 to the other side, because we are trying to imitate the left side. Now let's reduce the sides. So 30, and this is also 30. Too much. 10. Okay. Check this and move this on the left side. Here, negative value 50, something like 150, 120, 30. Okay, seems close enough. Then create a box shadow for the right side. Box. Okay. It is inverted, so you can't possibly create box shadow because they have the different shape. You can't invert the box shadow. So this is try 1 and this is try 2. Try 1 is on the left side and try 2 triangle 2 is on the right side. This would sit on the right side, so positive value, and rotate this positive 90 degrees. Then the color is this yellow, the color of the background. Wait, where's that? Here. Instead of black, let's put this here. And lastly is this post here. So let me change the color of the oval first. So last element is the post. Copy this, paste it down here, and then it has a width of 50 pixels, height of 250. Why isn't it showing? Okay, because it's semicolon. This is supposed to be colon. Okay, and the color is this blue, and then what else? Pixel. Why it's really big? Don't remember. Post. Wrong spelling. Okay. With it's supposed to be T before H. Okay. Position this on the center. 0 here, and push this on the bottom. So like 200. Too little. Push this on the bottom, like it's 80. Reduce this to 220, and what? Increase the width to make it thicker, like that. And lastly is the background. So let's just create back shadow of this post, since this is the last element, I guess. Let's just put this on the, let's declare this first so that it would be sitting behind these elements on the center. So back shadow 0, 0, 0, and the size is 100 pixel. The color is this yellow. Let's make this larger, 60 to 120, 150, and submit. We get many elements. 99.9. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe the triangles not on point.